7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and to one side. 1, 2, 3, then go diagonal back and bring her to the left. 4, then make a break. 5, turn the girl. 6, put the body weight on the left connection here. 7, go forward and lift her. 8, block. Now we're going to do syncopation 1 and 2. Slide with the leg forward. 3, slide with the leg back. 4, and we do stop. 5, 6, then 1, 7, 8. Okay, from here we're going to go forward. 1, make connection. Push 2, walk. 3, 4, then stretch the leg and lift her. 5, drop her forward to walk. 6, and then 7 and 8. 7, 8, 1, 2, stop, 3. I'm going to go diagonal back 4 and bring her to my left. She's pressing between my legs. And then bring her, continue walking, block. 5. Then I turn her. 6, and put the body weight completely on my left leg. Don't make a big 6 because then you don't have power to do the 7. Now I'm going to lift here, I'm going to tilt her back, and I'm going to push my right leg forward. 7, and the girl is going to make the right leg up because she's tilted here, and then I'm going to bring her forward to make it up. 8. Now we make syncopation short. So 1 and 2, 5 connection, bring her 5 forward, 3, bring her thigh back 4 because she's keeping the connection, and then we go stopping 5, 6, and then we drop 7. Yeehaw! 8. This is the yeehaw step. Okay, so 7, 8, and then from here I go body weight 4, make connection again, and give her the porte styling, which I go down with my thigh, with my hand, holding her, and then I go 3, 4. It's important to hold her low, in balance, don't tilt her back and forth, completely on the axe. And then on the 5, I make tap and I lift her with my right hand. Then I push with the right hand forward, 6, and I put my body weight on the right, and then I go 7 and 8.